Ma Xiao Yu is a Chinese actor and model who has risen a prominence in the short drama industry, often portraying charismatic roles like domineering CEOs, gang bosses, and romantic leads. In 2025, he started in Redemption. The same year, he also played Higher and Spring Fever. He graduated from the Sichuan Film and Television Academy, where he majored in acting and received systematic training that built a strong foundation for this career. Ma Jiao made his official debut in 2022 with his first short drama. He quickly gained properly in China's booming short form drama market, known for fast paced, addictive series often featuring romance, revenge, and fantasy elements. He is celebrated for his versatility, bringing depth to role ranging from powerful CEOs to gentle gentlemen. He has appeared in many other short drama productions throughout 2023 to 2025, often in romantic drama roles. Ma Jiao has worked with various actresses in the short drama industry and has developed a following on social media. Ma Jiao made his official debut in 2022 with his first short drama. He quickly gained popularity in China, booming market known fast-paced addictive series often featuring romance, revenge, and fantasy elements. His work primarily focuses on short-form romantic dramas, which have been increasingly popular in the Chinese entertainment market.